Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Wednesday, 26th February 2025, and as you guys can see, my profit for today is $1,167. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, let's jump right into it and break down how I got this profits for today. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, so my profits for today came from Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, and this was actually a swing trade. I'm just going to switch it to the 180-day view so you guys can see. This was actually a swing trade. On the 24th is actually when I did a swing trade for that. So let me just zoom right into it. Let's go back. Let's do the 5-day, 5-minute. Just go back. So on the 24th is actually when I decided to take this trade. I got in, I saw it was a huge sell-off on that day, and if I go back into the 180-day, you can clearly see that it was just straight, just red days throughout, except for this day, but it was just getting rejected over and over by this EMA line. So now, when I took the trade, I realized that, okay, I can hold on for a couple of days and make this $1,000 profit trade, and that's exactly what I did. So again, you have to pay attention. You have to look at both the macro and the micro charts if you're actually trying to do successful swing trade. So that's what I did. You take an overview of the chart itself, and then you decide, okay, is this going to be a good trade, or is this going to be a trade that I'm comfortable taking or holding on to? So that's exactly what I did. I saw that it kept getting rejected and I took the trade. Let's just go back into it on the 5-day, 5-minute. So when I took the trade, it was after hours. I took 300 at the price of 212.75, and then I decided, okay, let's just hold on to it. So the second day we did go up to 13, which would have given me like maybe a couple $100 or so. But again, I wanted to walk away with $1,000. That was my target. Again, you guys have to make a plan anytime you're taking a trade. Any trade that you take, you have to have some sort of limit that you're willing to risk to lose, or the price target that you're willing to take to walk away as you take those profits. So yeah, sure, I could have walked away here, but that was not the profit I was aiming for. So on the 25th, that would have been like a couple $100, like I said. So yeah, I could have walked away with a couple hundred, but that was not what I was intending to do. But if you take a look here on the 25th, you can see that we went down to 204. I think it was almost down close to $1,000, maybe 800 or so. I think I have a screenshot there for that. And when it started to reverse, when the reversal actually happened and we started to uptrend, again, the target that I actually got in was 212.75. So we closed out on that day. If you can see right here, we closed out like 213 or so after hours. It just wasn't worth my profit taking, and that's when I just held on. You have to be patient anytime you're taking trades like this. On the day open for today, that's where I actually took my profits. As you can see, when we started to uptrend, I got out. Now you're thinking, okay, so why did I get out so early? Okay, yeah, so you can see that I got out from this candle right here, and then we started to sell off. However, we did actually reverse and started to uptrend, breaking through that resistance, going to higher highs. Obviously, I left some money on the table, but it's not about that. I already made my $1,000 profit margin that I was expecting to make. I took my profits and I walked away. What's the takeaway from this? Okay, so the takeaway is, yes, sure, you could have sold out on the absolute highs. Was that the reality of how your trade's gonna go? No, it's not. Secondly, I took my profits and I walked away. That's fine. However, if you had held, as you guys can clearly see, we had a sell-off, consolidation, got rejected, and then sold off all the way down. And then anytime it hits your profit, just take it and walk away. It's just simple as that. Don't even say you could have or anything like that. It's fine. So that was a successful 2-day holding period for me. $1,100 on this one trade. Absolutely amazing. So if I had continued holding, it would have definitely been I would have been in the green actually, because again, the price that I bought in was 212. So obviously when the bell closed, we were at 214. Now after hours, we see we got back up to 216, then got rejected again, came all the way down to 215. All right. At the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is have a plan. Just make a plan, guys. If you're planning on taking a trade, it can be percentage if you want. You can do like 1%, 2% per trade. If you want to do a dollar amount, again, the style that I do when I was learning was $10 a day. When I can consistently make $10 a day, obviously you can consistently make $100, and then you can turn 100 to 1,000, etc., etc. However, the style that I'm doing right now is you don't actually have to trade every day. You can do successful swing trades. So for me to make this amount of money, I can just hold on for a couple of days once everything meets your criteria. Again, this met my criteria. If we look at an overview, this is my first trade for Amazon for the year. As you guys can see, I haven't traded Amazon for a while. And yeah, I used to trade Amazon in the past. If you go to my other videos, if you want to check that out. Anyways, and that's actually where I used to make $10 a day, and just I was happy with that. So yeah, what I'm trying to say is this met my criteria by the chart getting rejected, and then I saw that we were definitely oversold on our side. The MACD was getting ready to curl. I just felt like this setup was good enough for me. I took the trade, and here we are. $1,100, $1,167. Absolutely amazing. I'm thankful for that. So now let me ask you guys, did you actually hop into the market today? Did you guys do any swing trades? Did you do any day trades? Have you traded Amazon or any other companies? I know today was Nvidia. Everyone was just focused on Nvidia and, all the earnings that they're having today. So let me know in the comment section down below. Did you guys actually trade anything? Yeah, if you traded anything, made a swing trade, successful, not successful, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, another successful trade right here. I'm just, I'm grateful for it. So yeah, let's keep it moving, and I'll leave it like that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Absolutely an amazing day trading, walking away with $1,100. I'm absolutely stoked about that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that for today. Make sure you smash that like button, hit the notifications bell, turn on the, man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.